SEO is one of the best returns on investment when it comes to digital marketing. And a lot of people overcomplicate the entire process. And so if you are using Go High Level, which is an incredible platform that I've talked about and done plenty of videos on, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to get the most out of your website or funnel by leveraging SEO to get more organic traffic into the website. And so you'll see here in a second, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I would be taking a look and analyzing and optimizing a website from an SEO standpoint. So if you're using Go High Level or thinking about using Go High Level, you're going to know exactly what you need to do. Now, if you're using other platforms like WordPress or Duda or Webflow, the exact methodology is going to be the same, but you will see different features in this tool with Go High Level. You're also going to see it in different places in those other platforms, but the same, again, methodology is going to apply. So if you're not currently using Go High Level just yet, but you watch this video and you're like, wow, this is absolutely incredible. It's so easy to build a website, which we've already made a previous video on. And you're like, wow, I want to take advantage of this. In the description, we have a free and extended 30-day trial with tons of builders of authority and personal branding bonuses. So make sure to go sign up. So once you're signed up, once you have your account ready to go, on this screen right here, this is what it's going to look like. Now, the cool part about Go High Level is they have already built out so many of these crazy, amazing templates. So if you're like, hey, I want to see what they have for home services. Well, they have a contracting one, cleaning, lawn services, multiple of everything. They have electrician, roofing, etc. So you would click on that, basically get it ready to go. It's going to upload. And I'm not going to go through the website building process in this video of how you go change everything. I'm basically going to do it once you have a website ready to go, or you're in the building process of the website. Here's how you're going to implement SEO into it. So this is the one that I just did. It is a repair and general contracting specific templated website. So one of the biggest components into SEO is the number of pages that are on your website. So a lot of people like to keep it simple. Hey, I just want 1 or 2 pages on my website. That's fine. Just know your website is going to be more of a brochure than a lead generator, and there's only going to be so much SEO that you can put into 1 or 2 pages. So for example, if you have a services page on your website, you can then go duplicate that page to be able to go and build out like a remodeling service specific page, or kitchen remodeling, or bath remodeling, or if you wanted to tackle a specific location. So I'm here in St. Louis, but there's all these little suburbs in and around St. Louis. It's important to have those pages on your website as well. So I'm just going to take a look at the home page specifically for right now. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on edit, and we'll go back to the service page here in a second. But what you're going to see right here is you're going to see all the tactical and basically web design and development things that you can change. Again, I'm not going to touch on that right now. But the components of, like, once you have the website ready to go, like this is exactly what you want it to look like. You're ready to go launch this thing. We need to take into consideration some of the SEO stuff. And so what you have right here is basically a couple of different factors. So this is the SEO metadata button that you want to click. So the title is super important because it's essentially what you're telling Google that you want to rank for. So I'm just going to use an example that I have a remodeling company here in St. Louis. And I'm going to give you a little tip and piece of strategy that you can actually use to figure out what might be the keyword that makes the most sense to go do it. So you're also going to see us use this search atlas tool that we've used on previous videos as well. So in this search atlas tool, there is a keyword explorer. So I'm going to type in remodeling St. Louis, and I'm going to go use this tool to help drive what I'm going to actually put as my title. And I'll show you exactly what I mean by that here in just a second. All right, so this data has been sent over to us. It's basically telling us that the keyword difficulty is relatively hard, so it's 35 out of 100. The monthly search volume for that specific keyword is 110, with overall traffic potential in general at 3,800. Now, what this is also going to tell us is are there keyword variations? Are there better keywords that we can go after? And so it's going to spit out all of those other keywords. So you saw a bunch of stuff about bathroom remodeling. There's going to be some kitchen and basement remodeling. So what I'm understanding from this and what the data is telling me that, Adam, you should probably niche down what it is that you're trying to rank for. And what I mean by that is there's more search volume for bathroom remodeling St. Louis, and it's a lower keyword difficulty. So if I'm taking a look at this, I'm looking typically for the lowest possible keyword difficulty, assuming I also offer bathroom remodeling, and I'm also taking a look at the overall search volume. So let's just say I decide, hey, I offer all these different services, but I want to be known for bathroom remodeling. So I'm going to go take this specific keyword, bathroom remodeling St. Louis, and that is going to be the main first part of the title. And then let's just say I have Adam's Remodeling Company as the name of my company. I'm going to put the brand behind it. So just a quick recap, you're going to take main keyword plus location, and then you're going to put your brand name behind it. So Adam's Remodeling Company. I basically have the checkbox that, hey, yes, we have a title. The title is under 70 characters, and title and domain are unique. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to take that main keyword plus location plus the name of my company and write out 2 sentences, keeping this under 155 characters and making sure it's unique. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to basically put Adam's Remodeling Company is the premier bathroom remodeling business in St. Louis, Mo. So I'll expand it a little bit. We offer free consultations and quotes. Call us today. Simple, easy. You can even go use ChatGPT to help create something like this. Then you're going to see this keywords part right here. So if I'm just focusing on bathroom remodeling in this particular instance, and I'm doing this live, I did not prep like, oh, hey, this is what I'm going to do, because I wanted to show you for the novices out there, for the people that don't necessarily do a ton of SEO, how simple and easy this is to do with the right tools and the right strategies that I'm giving you. I'm going to go and I'm going to do bathroom remodeling St. Louis, remodeling company. And obviously this part, I know a little bit about SEO. I know a little bit about the industry, but you can take all these different keywords and write out a bunch of different fashions. So you can keep this to 4 or 5. I'm just going to go and I'm just going to do that. Those are the key nuts and bolts. Now you can go in and you can do a bunch more stuff here, but I'm just going to keep it super simple and easy. So that is the SEO metadata of the back end of GHL. Now there's a whole other slew of on-site search engine optimization things that you want to do. So this first big part right here on the homepage specifically is usually going to be the H1. And so what you want to do with the H1 is you actually want to take reverse engineer psychology of how you got to the SEO metadata title right here, and you want to go do something opposite. And so what I mean by that is, first and foremost, you want to make sure that this is the H1. So you will see that it is the H1. Now, there's H1 through H6. You're only supposed to have one H1 header, and you could have multiple H2s, H3s, H4s, H5s, but it's very, very important to only have one H1 header. And so this is think of your website as a book. The SEO title is the name of your book. And then you're only supposed to have one chapter 1. That's what this is. So I'm going to take St. Louis. I'm going to type this out. St. Louis Remodeling Company. Simple and easy. I just switch up what I did from this title right here. I just do the opposite. And I'm going to do bathroom remodeling. Forgot about that. But then I'm also going to add in company. Done. Easy. Simple. And then I can go and I can take a look at what other things are out there. So this is an H2. So this is full service construction company. I might change this to full service bathroom remodeling in St. Louis, Mo. And so what this is doing is it's essentially just giving you more flexibility, more opportunity with your website to rank for more keywords. And the last thing that I'm going to touch on here is interlinking. So let's just say that we have a house renovation page on our website. I'm going to make sure that that sub URL, if it's adamsremodelingcompany.com/house renovation, that this house renovation keyword ends up going to that. And I don't want to include a no-follow hyperlink. I want Google and the search engines to be able to understand that I'm going from one page to the next within my website and everything is adding up. If you do this on your Go High Level website, if you do this on any website that you have, to be quite frank, those simple and easy things are going to drastically change the way you rank for keywords, as well as the organic traffic that comes in, which we obviously know once we get the traffic, we then are able to convert that traffic. And so this is where most people go wrong. Once you come in here, you save, and then you go publish, you connect your domain, you do all of that stuff. But this is the secret sauce. This is what most people miss. And when you do this stuff, you will reap the rewards. So if you got value from this video, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment with your feedback about what you learned here in this video. Subscribe to our channel. We're producing a ton of content, not just about GHL, but digital marketing, personal branding, all the stuff that you need to know to be able to do some of this stuff on your own. Sign up for our free and extended 30-day trial with tons of builders of authority and personal branding bonuses. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and remember, authority isn't built overnight, it's built over time.